So hello guys and welcome to the today's problem of the day solution of Geeks for Geeks. Just in case, let me tell you that at the end of this video you are going to master this problem, because I'm going to explain in such a simple words that you will feel like this problem is simply a piece of cake. So please stay till the end of this video to get the clear idea on how to solve this problem. So let's check out what does the problem says. So we have to implement the evaluation of postfix expression. So basically this is the application of a stack, and this question is purely based on the stack. And what they have told us, inside the expression there will be only plus, minus, multiplication and divide. So these are the only 4 valid operations we are allowed to perform. So they will give us an array of a string ARR that represent a valid arithmetic expression written in reverse Polish notation. Do remember that whatever the expression they have given us, it is in the form of postfix notation, not a normal expression. It is in the postfix expression. So our task is to evaluate the expression and return the integer representing its value. So let's try to understand what does a question says. So what they have told us, they have given such kind of expression to us. Now observe carefully that this expression is not a normal expression. This is a pure postfix expression. And what we need to do is we need to solve this expression, and at the end we have to return the answer. So let's try to figure out how we can solve the expression. So first of all, what I will do is, okay, I came across operand. Operand means a digit. Operator means like multiplication, plus and minus and divide. So these are called as operator, right? Let me write it here. Operators are plus, divide, multiplication and minus. And what do you mean by operand? What do you mean by operand? Any digit, right? Any digit. So this is called as a operand. So what I will do is, I have an operand, simply push into my stack. Again I came across operand, simply push into my stack. Now again I came across operand, simply push into my stack. Now I came across operator. So what I will do is, I will simply pop top 2 elements from my stack. So first element is 1, which is I assigned to A. So I have simply removed the 1, and then the top element is 3. I have assigned it to the B. Now see, we have to perform this, right? We have to perform the multiplication. So how can I perform the multiplication? Always do into reverse order, that is B cross A. So what is the value of B? 3 cross is nothing but this multiplication. And what is the value of A? 1. So what I will do is, I will simply push 3 into my stack. Okay, so this operation has completely done. Now I came across plus. So what I will do is, again pop the top 2 element from the stack. So I popped the 3 and I assigned it to the A, and I popped the 2 and I assigned it to the B. Now I have to perform the plus operation. So how can I perform the plus operation? B plus A. So what is the value of B? 2. Plus what is the value of A? 3. What is the answer we got? 5. So simply push it into our stack. So we also perform the plus operation. Now I came across the operand. So what I told you, whenever the operand comes, push into the stack. Okay. Now I came across the operator. So what I need to do is, pop the top 2 elements from the stack. This is 9, which is assigned to A. So I simply pop the 9, and the 5, which is assigned to B, and I simply pop from the stack. And what operation I have to perform? Minus. So B minus A. What is the value of B? 5. What is the value of A? 9. So what is the answer? Minus 4 will be our answer. Now we have completely traversed this expression. So there is no any operator or the operand left. So therefore you can see that at the top of the stack our final answer is present. Therefore we will simply return minus 4. So this is the way to solve the expression. Now let's check out what kind of algorithm we can use to solve this problem. So basically there are 3 rules we need to take care. As discussed, if any operand comes, simply we need to push it into our stack. This is what we did, right? The second rule, it says that if any operator comes, then we need to pop the 2 elements from the stack. Whatever the top 2 elements are present in your stack, simply pop it, assign it to the A and B. And whatever the operator we came across, we have to perform B operator A. Always remember, this is so much important. B operator A is so much important. Not to do A operator B, not to do this, because it will give us the wrong answer. And finally, whatever the top element present at the stack, this is our answer. Right? So what I will do is, in order to understand this algorithm really well, we will have one more example. So what I did is, I have took one more example with the given expression. So what does the first rule says that if any operand comes, push into the stack. So what I will do is I came across the operand, simply push into the stack. Again I came across the operand, okay, push into the stack. Now I came across the operator. So what does the rule says? If you come across any operator, pop the two elements from the stack and perform B operator A. So simply I have to pop top two elements. The first one is 200. I simply assigned it to the A, and the second one is 200. Which is I have assigned to B, and let me pop it from the stack. And what is the operator we came across? Plus. So I will do B plus A, because this is what the rule says, B operator A. So what is the value I got? 200 plus 100, which is nothing but 300, and simply push it in our stack. Okay, so we have performed this operator. Now what we need to do is, again we came across the operand. So what does the operand says that when operand comes, push it into the stack. So simply let me push 2 into my stack. Now I came the operand. Then what I need to do is pop top two elements. First one is 2, B is 300. So simply I pop the top two elements from my stack. Now what I need to perform is B operator A. So what is the value of B? 300. Divide by 2. What is the answer? 150. Simply push it into the stack. Okay, so I perform the divide operator. Now I came across operand. What I need to do is push into the stack. Okay, now I came across operand. So pop the top two elements, which is nothing but 5, which is assigned to A, and 150, which is assigned to B, and let me pop it from this. So what I need to perform is B cross A, because the multiplication we have to perform, right? So if I have 150 into 5, so what will be the answer? 0, and this 750 will be our answer. Okay, so now simply erase this. Now I came across operand. So whenever operand comes, push into the stack, and again the operator comes. So I have to pop the top two elements, that is 7 and 750, which is been popped from the stack, and perform the operator, that is B plus A. What is the value of B? 750 plus what is the value of A, which is nothing but 7, right? And what is the answer? 757. And this is our final answer, because we have completely traversed our expression, and hence we can simply return the element present at the top of the stack, because this is what says, say once I have finally ended up with the string, the top element present in the stack is our answer. So with the help of these three rules, we have implemented our algorithm. Now it's time to go and check what will be the Java code for our today's problem. So this is the Java code I wrote. array_deq is the way in which you can declare the stack in Java. In C++, we have STL library called as stack itself. So what I did is, they have given us an array of a string. So I simply started traversing the array of a string. First of all, I checked if I coming across the operator. I wrote the function is operator. What does the function say that? If it is plus, minus, multiplication or divide, I wanted to check whether it is an operator. And if it is operator, what rule we discuss? Pop the top two elements from our stack. So we have performed operation. So again I call this function. So what I did is, I simply pop the top two elements from my stack, and I perform the required operator. Do remember that I have performed B operator A, not A operator B, right? And if it is not an operator, it means it is an operand, right? And whenever it is an operand, what I did is, I simply converted my string to the integer, and then I pushed into my stack. And finally, when I ended up whole string, the element which is present at the top of the stack is our final answer. So this was the easiest implementation on the problem. It is a direct application of a stack. I hope so you understood this problem really well. Just in case if you are new to our channel, do subscribe the channel for more such informative videos. Till then, see you in the next video.